Hey everyone, welcome back to Island Vibe Cooking. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a quick and delicious chicken fried rice you can make at home better than any takeout. Before I show you guys how it's done, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. Like this video for me if it was helpful, and let's dive in. All right guys, to begin, I'm using 6 boneless chicken thighs, skinless of course. So just pat them dry so we can start seasoning it. Now we are going to dice the chicken into bite-sized pieces, okay? Not too big, not too small, just in the middle. Now I have the chicken nice and diced up. It's time to season. I'm going to drizzle a little bit of oil on there, just like this. Then we're going to mix it. Now I like my chicken to have tons and tons of flavor. So for the seasoning, I'll leave everything down below for you guys. I'm using onion powder, garlic powder, paprika, Creole seasoning, a tiny bit of lemon pepper with some dry parsley, and I have some ground black pepper in there as well. So I'm going to generously sprinkle it all over the chicken, and this will add lots and lots of flavor to your chicken. Perfect. And just work the seasoning in, as you can see. Just mix it up just like this. And there you have it. Your chicken is nicely well seasoned. All right guys, my chicken is marinating. I am going to cook the egg first, and then we'll cook the chicken. So I have 5 eggs here. We're just going to crack the eggs into a bowl first so we can whisk it. Just be careful when you crack the egg so you don't add any shell to the egg. And I'm going to season with salt and pepper very lightly. You don't want to add too much, especially with the pepper. And now whisk. I'm going to drizzle about 3 tablespoons of oil, and this is on high, okay? I'll have this wok down below for you guys if you need it. Now I'm going to pour my egg right in. Just move it around as soon as you add it to your wok. We're going to cook this very, very lightly. You don't want to overcook the egg. At this point, it is pretty much done. Now I'm going to remove the egg. As you can see, you don't want to overcook it. Very, very light. And that's the egg. We're going to set it aside. We're going to add a little bit more oil so we can cook the chicken. Add my chicken in. Now we're going to cook the chicken for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, then flip over. We're looking for a nice golden brown color. And of course, it needs to be cooked through. Time to flip the chicken over. Oh yes. Because this is a big wok and the bottom is so narrow, the sides are not getting as much heat, so I'm gonna have to flip them for a few times until every piece of the chicken is actually fully cooked. Ooh, that smells so good. It smells so good, y'all. It's time to remove the chicken, set it aside. So let's do it. Y'all see how beautiful this chicken is? The amount of flavor that is covering this chicken is crazy. Oh, it smells so good. Our chicken is done, looking absolutely delicious. Now it's time to make the fried rice. I cooked this rice last night, placed it in the fridge, and yeah, it needs to be 1 day old. But if you don't have time to make the rice ahead of time, you can always make it the same day and place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes to an hour. So yeah, let's do it. All right, I have my wok nice and hot. We're gonna add some more oil, a good amount, okay? Also, I like to add a little bit of sesame seed oil. I don't like too much of the flavor, but a little bit. If you like, you can use sesame seed oil for this portion, but I like to add a little bit of it in there. Now I'm going in with my mixed veggies. Mix that together. These are frozen, by the way. Now we're going in with about 3 to 4 tablespoons of garlic, about 1 tablespoon of ginger. Mix it up. I like to fry it to release that flavor. Fry it for a little bit. Now I'm going in with the rice. This is cold, by the way. Just took it out of the fridge. Dump that in here. We're going to mix it up together. Whew, it smells so good. The ginger, the garlic, that's what I'm talking about. Ooh. If you need more oil, just add a little bit more so it doesn't stick to your wok. All right, now we're going in with some hoisin sauce. I love using this sauce, you guys. I use it on veggies, on shrimp, on chicken. It tastes so good. Now I'm going in with the soy sauce. You don't want this to stick, so if you need to add more oil, go ahead and add some more oil. Going to mix it. Just gonna let it fry and keep flipping it. All right, guys, our fried rice is looking good. Now I'm about to add the rest of my ingredients. I'm going in with the egg. Put that in also. Woo, that delicious chicken. Woo, pour all that sauce, all that in there. Yes, ma'am. And also we got some green onion for flavor. All of it, okay? That for garnish. Give it a nice stir. Woo! That's what I'm talking about. It smells like a whole restaurant in here, okay? It smells so good. You know we're about to eat really good today. Really, really good. Okay. I definitely outdid myself with this fried rice. It smells good, it tastes good. Everything about this fried rice is a 10, okay? Oh, looks so good. Now, I did add a little bit more of the hoisin sauce, but I didn't have to add anything else. And there you have it. Quick, delicious fried rice. No hassle. Better than takeout, okay? It's time to plate this beautiful dish. And just like that, your fried rice is ready. It is time for the taste test. Let's do it. No if, but make this today. Another easy recipe you can make right at home. Before you get to the takeout place, it'll be right and ready to go, okay? I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Let me know if you try this out, how it turns out. Also, if you like this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more recipes like this one. Quick, easy, delicious. I will see you guys on the next one. Bye, guys.